I tell you how to glue PVC material on a boat or on a sub. There are a few things necessary. We need the glue. It's a one component polyurethane glue. We need cleaner. We use isopropanol, which is soft to the material. And we need a pen to mark our area. And we need a brush to bring on the glue. So first of all, we clean the surface. We mark the area which has to be repaired with a pencil. We put on glue both sides, the patch and the PVC surface. The glue needs drying, probably 5 minutes. When the glue is dry, we activate the glue with a heat gun for a few seconds. We press the patch on the surface and we use a tool to push out extra glue and air